Just gonna explain some of the goals we have for today. So planning for the Mass and how we define religious interpreting in the church. Also the relationship to deaf ministry and the impact on the deaf and hard of hearing community. It works within both communities, the interpreting and the deaf and hard of hearing community. They work together. It includes all aspects of the deaf community. Grassroots deaf, little d deaf, deaf blind, all of the aspects are, and all these different kinds of deafness are included. Typically in a hearing church, when they all come together, when a deaf person shows up for Mass and they see an interpreter, it's pretty inspiring to see. There's different signs, but Alleluia and Amen are two examples. What's religion got to do with it? You know the famous musician in the 1880s, 1980s? Tina Turner. So we kind of switched the words up a little bit and added religion. So here at UWM, religion isn't, why would you think that would be important here? So in France, there's a Catholic priest in the 18th century. So this priest was interested in learning sign. So he set up the first deaf school, and it was free for people to come in. Abbé de la Paix is known as the father of French Sign Language. He's also known as the father of deaf education because he promoted deaf education for deaf children. Kirk moved to the United States and started developing LSF. And then it changed to American Sign Language. met a deaf girl. Gallaudet met Leclerc in Europe. So he invited him to come back to the United States and establish the first deaf school in Connecticut. Called the American Deaf School in Hartford. So Gallaudet University now is from Thomas Gallaudet. The name comes from Thomas Gallaudet. Thomas Gallaudet was a priest. He was Episcopal. The sign Episcopal comes from the sleeves that they wear, the clothing. Sometimes it's with an E or P. That's more of an English sign. These two really impacted religion and how it is today. They also impacted language as well. Right now, there's currently separation of church and state. To get the full concept of deaf ministry, you need to have a whole understanding of all of the history behind everything.